Hey guys, what's going on? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys here how to basically withdraw your XRP and cash it out and send it to your bank step by step. So I showed you guys here how to buy XRP in the United States and anywhere in the world. If you guys want to watch it out, leave it up here in the cards and in the pinned comments. Now you guys want to know, how do I cash out my XRP? How do I sell it and then send it to my bank account? So I'm pretty sure you guys buy your XRP, you know, based on my video on Kucoin or maybe Gay.io or Bitmart, those type of places. In my opinion, Kucoin is the best. That's why I use it in that video. But the thing with Kucoin and these other exchanges is there's no ACH transfer. You can't connect to your bank. If you want to still keep it in here, all you gotta do is go to XRP and then you could cash it out for any of these: Bitcoin, USD Tether, Ethereum. So in the future, it might change. There might be new apps out there that might take XRP that you're able to connect to your bank. At the moment right now, Uphold, the only one that lets you connect to your bank and buy XRP and transfer and all that stuff. You're going to go to your assets here on Kucoin or wherever you guys are at, and you're going to go to your main account. I'm here on my trading one, but you just want to go to your main account, click on XRP, and here at the bottom, it's going to say withdraw. Click on withdraw. I'm not going to show you here because I don't want you guys to see my details for my account. You're going to click on withdraw, and then when you click on withdraw, it's going to show you like a warning saying to send this to the right address. Now when you transfer XRP, there are two things that you transfer: copy your address, and you got to copy your memo, okay, your tag memo, your destination tag. But I'll show you guys here. So then you're going to go back here to your Uphold. Obviously you want to make an account and all that. So then where you want to go here now is go to your portfolio. You're going to click on XRP. You can have multiple accounts here. I'm just going to use this one for example. Click on one of your accounts for XRP. Then here at the top, you're going to click the three buttons. Click that. Then this is where it's at. Wallet address. Click wallet address. Okay. And then here it'll tell you all the information on how to send it to here. You're going to copy your address. Okay. And it also has the destination tag, as you guys can see right here. But first you want to copy your address. You're going to go back to Kucoin or whichever app that you're sending XRP from. And the withdrawal page where it says copy address, paste it. You're going to paste it, okay? Paste the address. Then you're going to go back to Uphold, and you're going to copy the destination tag, okay? Don't try to type it out or anything like that. Copy the destination tag. Go back to the place and paste the destination tag. And then it's very simple. After you do all that, it's going to tell you to put like your trading password and all that stuff, confirming it, maybe even a Google Authenticator thing. Then you press confirm. Withdrawal fees are very low, especially for XRP. I think it's like nearly like zero. So you press confirm, and then it should send very soon because XRP is a very fast type of transfer. So it should be in less than 5 minutes. Another thing to note too is if you're kind of scared on doing this, maybe it's your first time, I would suggest sending like just a small portion of your XRP, maybe like $5 worth, just to see if the transfer works. If you're more cautious. But then after that, if it works, then just send all of it, and then it should appear here on your Uphold account for XRP. Now the next step is basically selling it for US dollar, right? You want to sell it for US dollar so you can transfer it to your bank. Well, Uphold lets you connect to your bank. All you gotta do is go right here into the more, and then you gotta press link accounts, and then you just basically connect it to your bank just like you would with Coinbase. So now you got your XRP here on Uphold. You're gonna click on transact, and then here on transact, you're gonna click from XRP to US dollar. So to is going to be right here, US dollar, or it might be another type of fiat depending on where you're at in the world. So US dollar, and then here from XRP, and you click XRP, and it should show your balance and all that stuff. You click done. Obviously I have a zero balance, so it's not gonna show it for me. But basically after you put XRP and US dollar, you're gonna put the amount that you want to sell, right? You can put maximum, then you can click done, and then you're gonna click preview. It's gonna preview it, and then you can click sell. You're gonna have US dollar. It's gonna show here as US dollar, and then to transfer US dollar to your bank account, all you gotta do is click on the US dollar, and then it's gonna say you can transfer to your bank account. Just do that, and it'll go to your bank account. And yeah, guys, that's it. I know I didn't do it in full detail, mainly because I didn't want to send my XRP here to Uphold. But if you guys just follow all the steps that I talked about in this video, I'm pretty sure that you'll be well off. Like I said again, if you're if you're conscious on sending it, send a little bit, and then see if it works. If you got here to your Uphold account, then send the rest, and it should work. And then when it gets on here, it's just very simple to sell. Like I said, just go on transact, sell it for US dollar, and then you just send it to your bank that you linked it to. So it's just that easy. I hope to help you guys out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Join my free crypto group and also my Reddit group, and check out my Patreon as well. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.